All right, guys, we're back, another episode, and today is going to be putting the windshield and the back glass in. Kind of a nasty day out, rainy, but got to get it done. It's the next step in the progress, so we're going to jump on it. I got Ryan here with me.
Let's get it.
That's right. He's excited. He said the car should be running by the end of the afternoon, right?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Yeah, engine, transmission, everything in a day. Now we got a long way to go, but so we're going to give you a little bit of a rundown on how to do this. This is the first time I've done one of these before, so I'm new at this too. So we're gonna learn it together. But these first gen Novas have a weather strip or window seal, and then they have chrome that slides into the seal. And then the seal is actually, once you put the windshield onto the car, you pull it in by using kind of this rope technique. So we'll give it a shot, see where we end up. All right, guys, got a second camera videoing our progress this time, so maybe we'll give you a little bit more of a how-to view. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for that, so let's see what happens. Got a little further on this. We've got the rubber surround, the rubber molding on the windshield. We've got our chrome, which is not chrome anymore. Now it's a flat black chrome, if you will, installed. And now we're working the old rope technique. Apparently, it's the first time I've done this, but put a piece of, this is about an 1/8 inch rope inside the inner groove where the pinch weld is. And we'll use this rope once we lay the glass in the car. We'll work the glass down, pull the rope, and as we pull the rope, it should pull that piece of the molding over the pinch weld and allow it to kind of sit down in there. So that's the theory, and we're working that in now. Back glass in. That was fun. I think it looks good. I think we got it in there all right. Now to the front. All right, guys, take two. So you gotta do the front. So we learned a lot on the back glass, what to do, what not to do, what takes a long time. Now we're going to do the front. So we've got the front windshield molding on and the chrome pieces. Seems like the trick with this stuff is to put the rubber on first and then put your chrome, the bezels in there afterwards, and then we use tape obviously to kind of hold it as we went, right? So if you just try to put the rubber on, a lot of times you'll get a section of it on and it'll start to pull back off. So use this tape method as we went around to put the surrounding rubber material on, and then went back and put the chrome in afterwards, and that seemed to work really well. We would pull the tape off for like this section here. We'd pull the tape off this section, put the chrome in, and then put the tape back on, so it would hold and worked our way around. Seemed to be the best way to do it. All right, next step with this one is to put the rope in it And I think we're gonna do the same technique that we did before. Try the rope around the top, start pulling around the top versus the bottom. Big thank you to Ryan for helping me put these things in. It was a little bit of a task. I'm not gonna lie about that. It was different than what I thought. It wasn't quite as easy as I suspected. So definitely need a good friend or two to help put a window in a 63 Nova, or windshield rather, and back glass. I think the hardest part of this thing is actually getting the rubber on the glass itself. Like you can see in the time lapse that, I mean, we just had a hard time trying to get it to stick on the glass. But once you got it on there and you were able to get the chrome in there, or what used to be chrome, you know, seemed to hold pretty well and allowed us to kind of put the rope in and then get back over here to get in on the car. So look, take your time, go slow, be patient, don't expect it to just fall into place, be willing to take it off, do it again if you need to, and I think anybody can do this. But you definitely need to take your time with it because it can be frustrating. But if you take your time, you can get results like this. Quick little video on putting glass in the back glass front windshield. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. It's doing the same thing on one of these classic cars. It's there's some great content. I'm not the only one that's doing this, obviously. Some great content with some people that do this professionally, but I'd say go check that out, get the tricks and tips from them as well. Hopefully we helped you out a little bit too, so you can see kind of the challenges you may run into. But yeah, next time, see you, Southeast Feed Shop.